So here's how to verify Roblox age with one phone. So for that reason, first of all, open up the Roblox on your mobile phone. Then from here, you need to tap on more button onto the bottom right side corner. Simply tap on the more and then scroll it down to the bottom and you'll find out the settings option. Simply tap on the settings and then again go with the account info. Now from here you can see verify my age option. So simply tap on the verify my age. Now tap on the start session. Start verifying. Then you need to select your country. And then you can see you can either select the driver license, national ID or passport. So I will go with the national ID. Now it is asking me for to upload my national ID. So simply tap on the this icon, which is the camera icon. Simply take a picture of your government ID and there you go. So that's how you can simply verify Roblox age with one phone. So I hope this video helps. If yes, please leave a like and we'll see you next time.